This video is to change the battery on the Schlage touchpad electric door lock. First step is close the door. There's two Phillips screws here and down here. And take them out using a little electric drill. Hold on to the door lock. Now it's that simple. 6-volt battery right here. 9-volt battery right here. Now the only thing to be careful of is the deadbolt part. Has kind of a D shape to it. It only goes in one way, so make sure you don't put that in backwards. 2 screws back in. You just want to make sure the deadbolt part works, and if you don't know, what that does is it makes the outdoor handle work without locking every time you close the door if it's vertical. If it's horizontal, the outside lock will not unlock without using the touchpad. So for all my legion of fans that have been asking for a video, there you have it.